Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra and I'm going to talk about some of the recent advances related to technology here on the app of Conceptual Orthopedics and Conceptual Surgery. You know, you had asked for it and we tried to build it. Our aim is to become a better version of ourselves so that you become a better version of yourself. So what we have tried to do is try to give you a speed of 1.75 times on the videos. We have tried to increase the download number of videos to 20 now. We have tried to get a point where you can resume your video and play again from the point where you stopped. So these are some of the things that we have gotten. And then we have made a few things for you to chat to us on WhatsApp if you are working with your app on the phone, so that you can directly chat on the WhatsApp with us with your doubts and queries during the initial download and OTPs, or otherwise also during your login in the app. Some things that we have tried to improve from the protection is to disable you from taking screenshot or any screen recordings, and we'll be notified. In that case, we will have to block the apps. There are some small modifications which we have made depending upon the requirements quoted to us. And in case you do feel that we have a scope to further improve, which we are already trying, do let us know, so that when we are building on the next features in the technology, we will try to bring those changes in out. Thank you very much.